This is Hammer Blade V, and in today's video I will show how to fix overheating on this device. So to be perfectly frank with you guys, this phone does not have any built-in features or functions that allow or explicitly allow device to cool itself down, but there are a few methods you can kind of help your phone to reduce its internal temperature. And I will also give you some advices on how to prevent overheating, since I think it is easier to prevent issue than to fix it, obviously. So starting with what measures you should take if you feel that your device was overheated, you can go into Settings, Battery, and enroll the battery saver. On top of that, you can also enter the display category of settings, switch on the adaptive brightness, and on top of that you can also manually reduce the display brightness. Then you can also here set screen refresh rate to standard, since both high brightness and improved motion smoothness as in screen refresh rate demand a little more performance, hence the more processing your device makes, more heat it accumulates simply because it consumes more electricity. And well, as far as the active measures go, I think I've covered everything. And when it comes to preventing overheating, what advices do I have? First, do not fast charge your phone, do not overcharge it. And second, do not expose your device to the direct sunlight, direct sun rays. Make sure that if you have to use it outdoors, it always stays in a shadow preferably, or even better if you'll just keep it in your pocket or purse, bag, backpack, whatever, at all times. And well, should you have any further questions, leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.